UAU Brainy buddies. Welcome to another amazing crafting called the skater. It is a type of a plane which will be fly very long. Okay, so let's get started. To make this, first we will make it half. Make the line in the center, folding the paper in halfways, then opening out flat. Okay. Then we fold in two of the corners so that they meet at the center fold. Okay, like this. Okay. Then we will fold the top peak down to create a triangle shape. Okay, like this. Okay, and then we'll fold the top two corners to the center about 2.5 centimeters above the downward facing point to form a triangle shape at the top end and a diamond shape at the bottom. Like this. Okay, like this. And then we'll fold the downward facing point up to secure the flaps. Like this. Okay, and then we will fold the plane in half and flatten it out. And then we will fold the edges down to create the wide wings. Like this. So now our skater is been done. Hope you liked this today's video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to UAU Brainy Buddies. Bye.